If you really want your post to go viral on Instagram, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see these two important settings you need to turn on right now if you really want to go viral on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on my Instagram app right here. After you open up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom side right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Instagram handle. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on go to account center. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on sharing across profiles. Let's go to take you right here. Select your Instagram handle. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this button. Then allow automatically share your story also. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.